What up, YouTube? So, we're just hitting record and seeing what it does. Today we are hitting chest. It is currently like 8 o'clock at night. Let's see if the TV has a time on here. Might be later, man, honestly. 9:10. So, took pre-workout earlier. Got lazy. It's been about an hour and a half. So it's starting to wear off. See, it's 9. Let's see if we get that right. 9:10 p.m. I'm trying to wake up tomorrow by 6 in the morning. Let's see how that goes. We're gonna do 10 minutes of cardio. And I'm also taking a little bit of BCAAs with energy in it. We're gonna hit chest and shoulders tonight. Late night gains. I've been sick all day. We'll start with 10 minutes of cardio just to warm my body up, get the caffeine moving in me. So we'll be right back after we get this started. Don't mind the apparel. This is a home gym. You can do whatever you want. You at home, you naked, it don't matter. That's the whole point of the home gym. It doesn't matter what time it is, how lazy you are. You can put music on, video on, and just get it in. So, all right, we'll be back. Woo! Sweating a little bit. We got 11 minutes in. Nothing extra. I mean, 1 minute extra. We went crazy. We're gonna start right here with some flies, warm up the chest, and then I'm actually maybe hit some incline or flat. I don't know. We'll see. Start with flies, extra flies.
William is low key the psychopath. We didn't have to look at Pluto. No seasoning whatsoever. Throw things in a tortoise.
Oh, guess so.
So far, what I can't believe I'm saying this.
I like to put my pinkies in, get a little bit more squeeze in the middle.
Good quality time together. The sun was shining.
I think we're doing 40 pounds. I think that's 20 pounds on this machine.
Now it's time
Just
for
going
first dinner
to
on
12. I don't know where I'm at though, so keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
After today,
Woo!
I can't have chicken breast and I can't have steak anymore. So I really said,
Set 2, going for 15. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, come on, 12, 13, 14, 15. I got my pinkies in, I'm trying to squeeze. I'm gonna do 4 sets of that. Remember, we're gonna start with incline because we're trying to get the bodybuilding gains. I did gain some weight. I lost a lot of weight and I started cheating on the diet again, so I'm trying to get back in it. But I ain't missed no workouts. It's just the diet, man. Dang. So drop me down a comment, motivate me to get fit. So let's do this together though. All right, we're gonna do some dumbbell incline. We are gonna start with, I only have 70 pounds here, so I'm gonna start with 60 and then just go up to 70. We're gonna do 4 sets, 10 to 12. Let's get it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. All right, we got 15 on the 60s. I'm gonna try to keep it as high as I can on the rep range. Try to keep this pump going. All right. Oh, we got the 70s, baby. 70s. I need to upgrade these weights soon, but I'm cheap. Well, let's get it. Plus, I still go to the gym. 1, 2. That's 7. Easy work, easy work. Come on. 8, Yes, sir. All right. The next 2 sets, I'm not gonna record and make this video long and boring, but we'll try to keep it up. All right, let's get it. I got 175 over in here, I think.
Here's who I'm riding with this.
And we'll do 4 sets,
Just
10,
$5 and get $50.
probably 15 for this set, and then I'll go up 225. Let's get it. We hear that damn nothing in the background for motivation. Let's get it.
Is that a rattlesnake? It looks so cute, dude. It looks like you can just hold it and play with it, but you can't. This property is protected by a highly trained chickens. You wouldn't have the A in there, right? Am I fucking stupid? Who the fuck made this story, dude?
That's my mom.
You know what I was thinking? We should go into business together. Me and you are both farmers. We get 1,000
Let's go,
chickens.
baby. All right, let's get it. We got 225 on the bar. We're going for 10 to 12. And then I'm gonna do 3 sets of this. So I'm gonna try to keep it between 6 and 12 reps. So every set after this is gonna be 6 to 12. And then after this, we're on straight the cables and then straight the shoulders. So keep it a pretty simple workout. You know, simple, short and sweet. I say short. It's gonna be about an hour and a half, probably hour, hopefully. Let's get it. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, sometimes when you fail by yourself, you just gotta push it back up. But I was taxed out just now. I'm gonna be honest with you. That is why I don't have the clips on, just in case I need to dump it. I should have the safety bars up, but maybe next set we'll put them up. Let's get it. This is set 3. I'm struggling here, I ain't gonna lie to you. So, probably get it on video. 1. Come on, baby. Yes, sir. Woo! One more after this, maybe. Woo! All right, we're doing pec. I guess this would be cable crossovers, high to low. You can either go straight down like this, or you can do crossover for a little bit more of an angle. I'm doing 4 sets, 12 to 15. If you go, I like to put my pinkies in also with this at the bottom, almost touch your pinkies, just to get a good stretch in it. We're gonna do this for 4 sets, and then we'll do high to low. Sorry, low to high after this one. Trying to touch the pinkies. Same thing. 4 sets. Around 12, 15. Let's get it. Ooh. I'm getting a good pump late night. And then after this, we're going to start with shoulder press. I'm gonna start supersetting the shoulders, so y'all see that in the next clip. Sweet. All right, so we got the shoulder press. I like to do a little tiny bit of an angle, just to keep your shoulders in check. It honestly saves the heck out of your shoulders. Little stuff like that. And then we'll superset that with flies. We'll start at 40 pounds. I got the bench at a little bit of an angle, just to save your shoulders a little bit, honestly. With pressing motion. We're gonna do 4 sets of 10 to 12. And we're gonna superset We're gonna superset this thing with some front raises. Drop down to 20 in the first set. Just keep this thing simple, you know? So you do up with a twist at the top if you want to be fancy. You can also do single arms. We're doing the same thing, 10 to 12. But I'm trying to get this over with, so we're gonna do double arm. Come on, baby. So we're gonna do 4 sets just like that, supersetting. It's already 10:30. Yeah, slacking on this workout a little bit. Probably should have been done at 10. Realistically, should have been like a 45-minute quick workout, but see how fast we get this done. After this, we're gonna superset rear delts with side raises. So yeah, I'll record that afterwards. Let's get it. Last set, we're gonna do the 70s. Let's get it. Superset. Top 40. Hit 40 for the front raises real quick. Let's see. That's good. All right. I'm dying here. Be straight up with you. We're gonna do rear delts, like a crossover style, and then superset with side raises. Here we go. We'll do 30 pounds, which I think is half, so 15. Try to do 15 crossover. We'll probably stay at this weight. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. So, we'll do that. We'll lower this down. And all we got left is side raise. Same thing. We're trying to get 10. I'm dying out here. Let's go. Come on. I might have to drop for the next set. It's at 30. We'll try to drop it to 20. Yeah, for the next side, I'm gonna drop it down, but that's gonna be the end of the workout. And then when I'm done, I got the steam room already heating up out here. This was my old one. Sorry, the garage is looking crazy because we've been doing some stuff. That's the old one. I used to use this one. I upgraded to the 2-person steam room. Just have 2 little steamers instead of 1. And it's actually pretty straight. Pretty cool. Look at that. Yeah. Got the little chairs. I only put 1 in there because it's usually just me in here. Actually, it's always just me in here. But yeah, that'd be the end of the workout. Hit me up in the comments down below. I'm trying to work on getting slimmer. Like I said, I done gained some weight. I went down, I was 240 and I dropped from 240. I dropped from 240 to all the way down to 190, 192-ish. Now I'm 210 or 208 in the morning. So back up almost 20 pounds. You know what it is? I don't know, my brain is like fried. I think it's 1050, something like that, 1044. So, all right, y'all, hit me up. Woo! Like I said at the beginning of this video, I am feeling a little sick, so we'll get our 15 minutes in here. Probably 10, honestly. And then we'll be done. All right, y'all. To the next one.